Okay guys, in your first driving lesson, you'll be taken to a fairly quiet road, and the first thing that you'll be taught is the POM routine. POM, prepare, observation, maneuver. So let's go through it quickly. The car is switched off right now, so you're gonna, this is how you prepare the car. You put the clutch fully down, you go to gear 1, you lift the clutch up slowly halfway, you cover the gas, and you're ready at the biting point. So this is known as preparing the car. POM routine, prepare, observation, maneuver. Once you prepared the car, then you do your 6-point check, which is your observation. So of your left shoulder 1, left mirror 2, interior mirror 3, ahead 4, right mirror, and then over your right shoulder, which is your 6-point check. So that's observation. And finally maneuver, which is just moving off. You indicate, and then your handbrake goes down. I'm just going to pretend with the handbrake because we're slightly on the hill. And then as you move, you're going to lift the clutch up slowly, and you're going to press the gas. So in your first lesson, while the car is switched off, this is what your instructor will be teaching you, how to prepare the car and how to move off safely while the car is switched off. Purely because there's so much knowledge and so much information we're giving you. Let's practically show you now, okay. Clutch goes down, into gear 1, lift the clutch, cover the gas, 6-point check, indicate, and the handbrake goes down. So that was a POM routine. Prepare, observation, maneuver. I teach my students to always double check that blind spot because things are always changing. There we go. And I'm using clutch control now, lifting the clutch slightly. And it's a hill, you obviously in the hill, it's going uphill. A student will find that a bit difficult, so would actually be practicing on the other side of the road up to gear. That was a really quick explanation as to what happens in your first driving lesson. Obviously, we didn't go through everything, nor did we go through it thoroughly. It was a very quick explanation, so I'm sure you have plenty of questions to ask. But do watch our other videos. We're fully qualified driving instructor. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And there you'll see all our other videos where we explain to you exactly and thoroughly into what happens in your first driving lesson, and as well as how to impress your driving examiner, how to pass your driving test first time, what do the examiners look out for, top secrets into how instructors teach. So do watch it, make sure you like, share and subscribe.